Sophie girl, Auntie Sarah reads, "The best days are dog days." Right, Riv? The Best Days Are Dog Days by Erin Mason. Come here, Riv. Come on. Come on, Mama. Good girl. Oh. A new day begins. Rise and shine. We stretch. Dad, sis, and mom eat at the table. Juice, pancakes, oatmeal. I eat under the table. Water, kibble, crumbs. Dad does not like to clean the dishes. I love cleaning the dishes. It's so beautiful outside. Let's go. Dad gets sis ready. Shoes, jacket, treat. Mom gets me ready. Harness, leash, treat. A place for sis, a place for me. Sis loves making new friends. Hello, hello. I love making new friends too. Sniff. We love getting soaked. Squirrel! Time for a potty break. Mom helps sis inside. Dad helps me outside. My family pedals to the market while I nap. Can you see where he is? Right there, sleeping. Oatmeal, pancake mix, and apples for sis. Kibble, treats, and apples for me. Does this look like the market in Ballard? Home at last. We are beat. After dinner, it's bath time. In the tub, scrubbing behind ears, cleaning feet, washing nose. In the sink, scrubbing inside ears, washing snout, cleaning paws. Minty, beefy. Mom tucks in sis and reads her a story. Dad tucks me in and rubs my belly. We can't wait for tomorrow. I love you. So does River.